eating celery sticks. You eating celery sticks and carrots, you feel me? Like you eating like a bird out here. Hey YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber and welcome to The Vibe. If you are returning, what it do, boo, and welcome back. Well, I wanted to do a quick video on 3 things that hold us back from losing weight. So if you are wondering why you are not losing weight, it may be one of these 3 things. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right into the video. The first biggest thing is binge eating. You've been doing good all week long. You've been eating, the right things. Then out of nowhere, you go to your favorite restaurant and you get your regular meal, but then you get all the extras and you eat it all. You eat it all without remorse. And then at the end, you're like, why did I do that? And you feel terrible about it, right? It is so important to not be restrictive in the foods that you eat. There's a difference between restraint and restriction. You do not want to be restrictive with your food. And by that, I mean you over here eating celery sticks. You eating celery sticks and carrots, you feel me? Like you eating like a bird out here. Like, no, just because you're trying to lose weight does not mean that you cannot eat foods that are satiating. If you have not caught my video on meal prep, I meal prep 2 meals in 1 hour. Those are really great meals. I have a whole video on foods that you should try. I will try and link them here and here. Let's see if I can throw some screenshots in there. But do not be restrictive with your food because it's gonna lead to you binge eating a whole bunch of stuff that you don't want, and then you're gonna feel bad about it. The second reason why you're not losing weight is because you're eating too many fats. Now hear me out, okay? You are supposed to eat fats. It is nothing wrong with eating fats, healthy fats. But what I see a lot of times is that we get so hooked on the healthy fats, and by that I mean you're eating way too much avocado. You're eating way too many almonds. You're eating way too much cheese. These are very high fat foods. You're drinking a whole bunch of whole milk. When it comes to trying to lose weight, yes, you may be eating the right fats, but you may be eating too many of those fats. Try to work in peanut butter with your apples and actually measure out your tablespoons. Dibbing and dabbing and thinking, oh, this is about 2 tablespoons. You probably got about 3 or 4. Just imagine if you're eating peanut butter 2 to 3 times a day, and you're eating avocado in that same day, and you're eating cheese in that same day, you have loaded up on so many fats that you really could have avoided because those fats are more calories. Number 3. The third biggest reason that you're probably not losing any weight is because you're not doing enough cardio. When it comes to losing weight, it is important that cardio is a factor in that. It's gonna help you to move more muscle groups. Cardio is going to get your heart rate up. It's going to help you to burn fat, especially if you're implementing a walking, running regimen. I talked about this in a later video. I will show it somewhere on the screen here on how I lost my first 30 pounds. Another great way to get your cardio is high intensity interval training. When you do cardio, you want spikes in your cardio. So that's why high intensity interval training is so great, because you put everything you have into this 45-second exercise. Then you bring your heart rate down, and the spikes that happen in that allows your body to jolt energy into it and burn fat. So it is very important that when you're trying to lose weight, that you incorporate cardio into your regimen. You can't say, I want to lose weight, and then all you do is lift weights. Like, that doesn't work. You need to have a strong cardio plan if you plan on actually losing the weight. Those are my 3 tips for you. If you are struggling to lose weight and you don't know why, these 3 things are probably 3 of the biggest things that I see back to back to back to back on why it's not happening. So I hope that this helped you out. If you have any questions that I wasn't able to answer, then please just drop them down in the comments below. If you are on a weight loss journey, let us know your success in the comments as well. But I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.